What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is the PlayStation 5 error, how to fix this error. And the error is WS-116332-6. Access from the PS5 console may be temporarily unavailable or network issues. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen, settings, and here is the user account. For the user account, you must check that your PSN account is logged in or not, and then securities. You go to the others, console share and offline play. Here you check the sign out. If you see here the sign in, you must sign in your PSN account. If you sign out, your PSN account is already signed in, then go to the network replacement network status. Sometimes the server is down, or Sony is working on the updates, or undergoing maintenance, or other issues. So you just go check your region and system servers. So here's the server is working up and good. If the server is not working, you get the red option here. And if the working good, you must go to the network and set your network and check the frequency, advanced settings. Here's the DNS settings. Primary DNS, secondary DNS, you can change it. MTU settings, you can change it also. So after that, you connect it. So that's how that simply you can fix this error, this kind of error. PSN account, you must check these settings also. And I hope so found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one.